before say me no mienu ye koye campaign ama NDC no I knew you also knew me very well. I have swallowed so many things from you.
Oye madam fwa ana woni mekeke a obi be fro say fre Tracey Boakye ne nkasa ka che nipa cross say opa na chew onim me number onim how be get to me a osire no enye wo na wo me ba wiase enye wo na wo to aduane ma me die enti wontimi ma me kamasem me pa chew I am big enough enti wo feel say wonim me o say me ne wadi agro pen yo me ne wanante pen yo dien yo no obi fre wo Eka cho se to me for madam bra opa kate nipa kroko kate no kache nipa ko say anya wo na wo to aduane ma me die ena kache nipa ko so say Tracey na wonim no very hard pa de we ekoso no it can't bring me down aseye mode ena den na den me pa cho obi frɛ wa enso so empeke enya me maame no na enya me papa no you cannot tell me what to do.
I just saw a post from Tracey Boakye sending a strong warning to me that I shouldn't call her to advise her because I don't feed her. Yeah? Before, say me no me no. Yako endorse NDC 2016 no. Na me nimo. Won so uni me. Ah, before, say me no me no. Ye koye campaign ama NDC no. I knew you also knew me very well. I have swallowed so many things from you. 4 good years. Ah? Me dani Jimmy for Emma wo enfie 9. Na me mpese mekasa. Senye madani Jimmy for enfie 9 no. Ma menna ne sa Jimmy for ne sa amfa nkwa wieye. Memfa mi phone on frɛ wo da se me advice wo memfa mi phone so nya saade ni bi da mesrɛ wo na me phone na me de bɛyɛ sa call ne kra no na me de mi phone we frɛ wo a wo phone ne kra no virus kra nsi so na wo ne phone na me use ma me de me fare wo ya me pa chaw enti na nkrofo mo frɛ me keka nsam no me ye video beto abonte se me sra wo mo on social media handle. Say bibi wo ho they should send it to you because me message na bi nya men kan ye de ahoma be hye me kon semaka mame untimi ntime warning Tracey I'm telling you menyi cheo usika no uyi awaye nyina no fato nche me menyi cheo lesson abrabo teach me Any ya me ma famu wa brabo mu no you have no idea beni nyina mu no me ma brabo ansai mesrawo table na wo u sheki no ne nan baako abu so onima me twa adwena si so table na wo pese wo sheki no table no ne nan baako already abu ya don't push me Tracey don't push me. When was the last time I me found my phone efrewo? When was the last time I me found my phone frewo? Mame me srao. Me dinya me di power chew. Senya mamwa me hoche mi bomu no. Ya? Mami she mi bomu sa. Me pachow. Me mame me yadie bi ma obi mbeka se Enya gay way no se wafa nyame no. Nya gay way no se wasesa no. I have swallowed disgrace. I have swallowed so many things from you. 4 bad years ni. I have decided not to open my mouth and say anything. Menya Jimmy fo. Tracey, you know me very well. Ena enya wonkwa na wani eden. Uni me. Nisumi ni mo. Misra memfrɛ wo da sɛ me advice na uni mame me mabobra metimi atufo Tracey Boakye please nya wo pesa wo ne me ye no mesrɛ you can't warn me nya wo bakwaku You can't warn me. Me you made. Senior who can't mean feed you no. What's who won't feed me? So please. Sheye no one cross boundaries. Sheye and ya one cross boundaries.